If Canva is giving you an error right now, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you the fastest ways to fix it step by step. Whether Canva is not loading, freezing, showing a blank screen, or just refusing to work properly, these simple checks usually solve the problem in minutes. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes just like this one. Alright, let's get into it. The first thing to try is a simple refresh. On your keyboard, press Ctrl and R if you're on Windows, or refresh the page if you're on another device. A lot of Canva errors are temporary, and a quick reload can clear them instantly. If that doesn't help, the next thing to check is your internet connection. Open your browser, search for speed test, and run a quick test to make sure your connection is stable. Canva relies on a strong internet connection, so if your network is slow or dropping out, that could be the reason you're seeing an error. If your speed is low, try switching networks or reconnecting your Wi-Fi before moving on. Now let's clear your browser cache. Sometimes old cached files can stop Canva from loading correctly. To do this, open your browser menu, go to Settings, then Privacy, and look for Clear Browsing Data. Make sure cached images and files are selected, then click Clear. After that, close the browser completely and open Canva again. This is one of the most effective fixes for strange loading issues and repeated error messages. If Canva is still not working, the next step is to disable browser extensions. Some extensions, especially ad blockers or privacy tools, can interfere with Canva's editor. Open your browser menu, go to Extensions, then Manage Extensions, and temporarily turn off anything that could be blocking scripts or content. Once those are disabled, reload Canva and check if the error is gone. In many cases, the issue is caused by an extension conflict rather than Canva itself. Another important thing to check is whether Canva is actually down for everyone. Open a new tab and search for Canva down. If there's a service outage, the best fix is simply to wait until Canva restores normal access. If the site is having a global issue, there's nothing wrong on your end, so no amount of refreshing or clearing cache will solve it until the service is back online. So to recap, refresh the page first, test your internet speed, clear your browser cache, disable extensions, and check whether Canva is down. These steps cover the most common causes of Canva errors and usually get everything working again fast. If this video helped you fix the issue, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more easy tutorials and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.